Hello and welcome back to another session, the applications of data warehousing. Now that in the previous the session we have learned about the applications of the database in details, like in each sector how it's being used. So now let's learn what are the industrial and other applications of the data warehousing in this topic as well. So the applications are more or less the same as compared to the database, and let's discuss some of those applications as follows, and how they are basically used in terms of data warehousing concept. All right, so let me move on to the next slide here. So there are like various industries which are again similar to what we have seen in the applications of database. First one is the airline industry. It's actually used for airline system management operators, like the crew assignment, the analyze of the route of the frequent flyer program, discount schemes for the passengers, etc. For example, you are the airline customer, and you are a loyal customer to a particular airline, and you've been using that the airline for a long time. So then the airlines comes up with a discount program because they know, like how long you've been flying with them, and how many tickets you have been booked so far. So all this information is kind of a historic information that resides in the data warehouse. So it will help these airline industry, like the C level, I mean executive level employees, to come up with different discount programs and other things for the further promotion of the airline industry. The next sector is the banking sector. Here at the banking sector, it is used in the banking sector to manage the resources available on the desk effectively. So if you want to see, like how many employees do you have, and what is the resources currently do you have, and whether those resources are used effectively or not, what is the productivity, so those kind of things the senior management want to analyze. So for analyzing that level of information, you need a historic data. So that historic data is going to be resided in data warehouse system. Next thing is the healthcare sector. Dataware is used to strategize and predict the outcomes, create the patient's treatment reports, for example. And advanced machine learning, big data enable the data warehouse systems can predict the ailments. So data warehouse is basically used for coming up with the new insurance products based on the previous year's usage and the claims. So you have a historic data of the patient claims and other things. So by using that information, they can come up with a better decision for the future years. The next thing is the insurance sector. Data warehouses are widely used to analyze the data patterns, customer trends, and to track the market movements quickly. So it again helps in insurance. Again, like I said, it will help the coming up with the new the insurance products every year based on the past history. Next one is retail chain. Now, the retail chain basically it helps you to track the items, identify the buying pattern of the customer, promotions, and also used for determining the pricing policy. It's again like you're using your customers' buying history, and you'll come up with a new product, new offers, and new promotions for the future customers. Next thing is future or any loyal or current customers. Next thing is the telecommunication in the sector. Data warehouse used for product promotions, sales decisions, and to make the distribution decisions. Unlike any other industry, like here also, this is the data which is used for making the promotions. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I'll see you in the next topic.